How to buy Yearn Finance on Etoro app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Yearn Finance coin on Etoro app in easy fast method. So first thing we do, we go to Etoro like this, and now we go to the watch list here down below, click on it, and after that we go down and you will find the Yearn Finance coin here. If you didn't find it here, click here and choose cryptos, and after you find it, click on it and choose trade. Choose the amount of money that you want to invest on it like this, and click open trade. And now choose your payment method. You have a lot of methods here, choose one of them, and then go down and click deposit, and everything will be done in easy fast way. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.